every 7 seconds somebody dies from smoking.
And every 3 seconds, a baby dies in Africa.
Less people die from chainsaw abortion.
Now that I see
From smoking.
Yes. Oh, look, free cig. You want one too?
No, it's not my brand.
Remember, kids, cigarettes kill. Apparently, faster than you may think. Almost instantly. Oh, look, what a wonderful owl. So beautiful, so magnificent, so great. I wish I was an owl. Oh, look, a free cigarette.
So are you sure you want to go through with this? Yeah.
this golden body.